We'll discuss coordinate geometry. So what is coordinate geometry? What is formulas? What type of questions they will ask? So that and all we will discuss today. Okay. So see the board. So what is coordinate geometry? First of all, you have to check it. Coordinate axis. What is coordinate axis? Coordinate axis means first you have to check it. So if we take lines, this is x-axis, this is x dash, same axis, this is y axis. If you take, this is y dash. So this is always intersecting point origin. Origin always we are denoted 0, 0. So if you take this side, that means left right hand side always positive values will come on x axis, this side negative values will come. So top side y axis positive, down side negative values will come. So for example, if we take any point here, I am taking one point. Okay. So if you join this line, this line is perpendicular to on y axis. Same point I am joining this side now. So this line is perpendicular to x axis. So now I am giving here point P x comma y. If you see properly, this is P x comma y. In this quadrant, both are positive. So that's why it is called first quadrant. So first quadrant, quadrant 1. So simply we will denote quadrant Q1, Q2. I am writing here. This is Q2. This is Q3, that means quadrant 3, this is Q4. So when you are taking first quadrant, always here x, that means both are positive, means greater than 0, y also greater than 0. If you come to second quadrant, here x, because if you see properly, this side x always negative, that's why x always negative value will come. Then how to write x less than 0? So here y is positive, that's why y greater than 0. So here x less than 0, y greater than 0. Then how to write points? So P here x comma y, already I written here. Then here how to write P minus x comma y will come here. So come to down, third quadrant. If we take third quadrant, here also x and y both are negative here. See this side, if you take this side negative, y axis, this is x axis, both are negative. That's why how to write x less than 0, y less than 0. Negative means always you have to take less than symbols. So that's why how to write here P of point minus x comma minus y. So both are less than. So if you take fourth quadrant, here fourth quadrant, here this is x axis. X axis means here x is positive. If you take y axis, here negative. That's why here x greater than 0, y less than 0 will come. Then how to write in point way P positive x comma minus y. So this is the introduction of coordinate axis. So first always 4 quadrants will come. 4 quadrants, 4 parts. 4 parts is called quadrants. If we take first quadrant, always P x comma y. Here both are positive only. If you take second quadrant, here x negative, y positive. Then how to write second quadrant? In point form minus P x comma y. If you take third quadrant, here both are negative only. So if you take first quadrant, both are positive. In third quadrant, both are negative. So in third quadrant, less than, negative means less than, always you have to take minus x comma minus y. Like that, if you take fourth quadrant, here x is positive, y less than 0. Okay, like that. Next, what is coordinates? So coordinates means coordinates. What is coordinates? Now we will discuss. So here x coordinate, how to call x coordinate? X coordinate is called abscissa, 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 abscissa. So like that, how to call y axis, y ordinate, x ordinate, y ordinate is called ordinate only, ordinate. So x coordinate is abscissa, y coordinate is ordinate. Okay, here. So like that, if we take here, So point on x-axis, then how to write y value here? If you take point on x-axis, then what is the y value? Point on x-axis, then y equal to, obviously always y equal to 0. So like that, point on y-axis, so point on y-axis means this side will come. Point on x-axis means this side will come. So if you take this line, have to write y equal to 0. If you take this side y-axis, point on y-axis, here x equal to 0 will come. So what is the value means? X equal to 0. So that is the point on x-axis means always y you have to take 0. Point on y-axis always have to take x equal to 0. Distance between any two points. In coordinate geometry, this is very important formula and basic formula also. So distance between 2 points means, if you take line, straight line, so I am taking here A, this is B, this is always in between center point, this is origin. So I am taking, for example, if you take this is x1 comma y1, this is I am taking x2 comma y2. So I am represent here letters A and B I am taking. So how to find AB? That is the important. So very fundamental formula, very easy formula. AB equal to, always you have to write under root of x2 minus x1, difference you have to take whole square, plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Or else, why you are writing like this? If you get doubt means, or else you can write like this also. AB equal to under root of x1, that is your wish only, because here power value 2 is there. If you take x2 minus x1 whole square, x1 minus x2, same answer will come. That's why you can change, no problem. So x1 minus x2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So both are same only. If you apply, you will get the same answer. Okay, it doesn't matter. So if you take origin, how to write origin? Origin means always you have to take 0 comma 0. So one more point I am taking P, x1 comma y1. Then how to write distance between 2 points? So OP equal to, if you apply 0 minus x1 means, how to write 0 minus x1 means x1 will come. So x1 square plus direct you can write under root of x1 square plus y1 square. When you are taking, when point going through origin 0 comma 0, if you take any one point P x1 comma y1, that time only you have to apply this formula. OP equal to under root of x1 square plus y1 square. Otherwise remaining for, if you take 2 points, you have to apply this formula. Okay. So next, for example, I am taking one example. So A equal to 1 comma 2, B equal to 4 comma minus 5. Then find AB. AB equal to, always this is x, we have to represent this is x. That's why x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Okay. So first value always the x coordinate, y coordinate, x coordinate, y coordinate. If you apply, you can take any formula, then you will get the same answer. Okay. So under root of, I am taking here x2 minus x1, 4 minus 1. If you take 1 minus 4, same answer will come. Okay, no problem. 4 minus 1 whole square plus, in between plus will be there. Okay. Next y2 means here minus 5, minus 2, in formula minus there again, whole square, that equal to, if you simplify, 4 minus 1 whole square, 3 square, 3 square nothing but 9, directly I am writing here, plus minus 5 minus 2, if we add again minus will come. So minus 7 whole square, minus 7 whole square nothing but again 49. So if we add 49 plus 9, how much will come? Under root of 58 is the answer. So like that you have to take. So this is the distance between 2 points. Next, collinear. This is also very important. What is collinear? So what is collinear means? If you take straight line, in straight line I am taking 3 points on the straight line. This is 1, 2, 3. If you take any 3 points on the line A, B, C, A, B, C. So what is the condition? That means, so condition is, if you take distance AB plus BC equal to AC, or this is very important. Condition is, condition for collinear, conditions for collinear, condition for collinear. So 3 conditions will come here. If you take first AB plus, same like that, this two distance equal to BC equal to AC. If we satisfy this condition, that is a collinear. Or else sometimes if you take another 2, BC plus AC equal to, if you get second condition satisfy, if satisfy second condition, that is also collinear. Or else third condition, another one, AC plus AB equal to, if you get BC, this is AB, BC equal to, if you get this one, if you satisfy this condition also, then satisfy collinear. So 3 conditions will come here. Don't confuse here. AB plus BC equal to AC, or else BC plus AC equal to AB, and AC plus AB equal to BC. If we satisfy three conditions, it is called collinear. Okay. So one more formula also is there, collinear. Okay. So now I will discuss that one. Collinear. Sometimes you have to take area of the triangle. By using that formula, you will get the collinear answer will come. Okay. You can apply that formula also. Okay. So for collinear, area of the triangle, if you take area of the triangle, area of the triangle 1 by 2 into, for example, if you take any 3 points, a triangle means ABC you have to take. So A x1 comma y1, B I am taking x2 comma y2, and C x3 comma y3, C x3 comma y3. Okay, this is very important formula. Until BTech also will come this formula. Okay, area of the triangle, delta, it is denoted by always delta equal to 1 by 2, modulus will come, area always positive value will come. Okay, so area 1 by 2 into, so always you have to take x coordinates. When you are taking x1 here, so right, put here brackets, leave it this one. So you have to write difference remaining 2 terms in terms of y, So then how to write here? y2 minus y3, So first one over. Next, x coordinates only have to take x2. So if you take x2 here, you have to leave it this one, remove this one. So remaining 2 points only you have to take. That remaining 2 points you have to take difference in terms of y only you have to take. Then you will get the correct answer. Okay. So if you take, what is the y term here? y3. Next y term you have to take this one. Okay. Like that, still one more will come. Next x3 will come. If you take s3, now we have to remove this one. Remaining two points you have to take. Then how to write? You have to write difference in terms of y. So what is first one here? y1 minus y2. So again you have to put modulus. Modulus always positive values will come. So when you are taking area always in square. If you give, if they give question centimeters, you have to write square centimeters. If they give meters, you have to write square meters. Like that you have to write. So now I am writing simply what they give, you have to write square centimeters. In question, if they give centimeters, you have to write here centimeters. This is very important. Don't confuse here. In question, they will give, for example, 10 meters. Answer you will write square meters will come. So if you give instead of meter, I am taking centimeter. Centimeter will come. Like that. Okay. This is also one of the formula for collinear. If you satisfy this is equal to 0, if you satisfy that is also, that point is also collinear. Okay. So that one. Next stage. This is also very important formula for coordinate geometry. So section formula, if you take one line, I am taking line, this line which divides, so if you take, I am taking AB, at this point which divides, that is your wish only, I am take any point P, I am taking here. So here x1 comma y1 I am taking, here x2 comma y2. If you take one straight line AB which divides center P, the ratio I am taking here, generally we will take m is to n only. Okay, then how to write section formula? First internally how to write? First m, you have to take x coordinate here, mx2 plus, what is second ratio here? N here x1 you have to write, sum of the ratio you have to write, sum of the ratio m is to n, that means how to write? M plus n, when internally. So like that x coordinates completed. Next time what you have to take? Y coordinates, same like that, m into next y2 you have to take, m into y2, like that. This one into y coordinate will come now, n into y1. See here, same like that only. Instead of x2 we are taking here y2, instead of x1 we are taking here y1, by under root of upon sum of the ratio. Sum of the ratio means m plus n. So when you are taken here, this is internally. So externally how to take? Externally, same formula only, in between instead of plus we have to take here minus, that is the external formula. mx2 minus nx1, m minus 1, my2 minus ny1, m minus 1, m minus n. This is very important formula. So if you take straight line, so starting point, ending point, if you take, I am taking here a, b which divides p point, m is to n ratio I am taking here. So then how to write? Internally, externally. Internally if you take plus will come, externally if you take minus will come, in between plus minus will come, otherwise same only. Okay, so this is called section formula.